Hello, and welcome to Capital Corners. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most influential self-help books of all time, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book has sold over 100 million copies worldwide and has helped countless people achieve success and wealth. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the book and explore its 13 principles of wealth creation and personal development. Are you ready to achieve success and build your wealth? Then look no further than Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book has inspired countless successful individuals, including Oprah Winfrey, Jim Carrey, Steve Harvey, Grant Cardone, and Damon John. By following this book's principles of visualization, positive thinking, persistence, and determination, these individuals were able to manifest their success and build their wealth. And you can do the same! By implementing the principles from Think and Grow Rich, you too can achieve your goals and reach your full potential. So, don't wait any longer. Start your journey to success and wealth today. Think and Grow Rich was first published in 1937 and has since become a classic in the field of personal development. This book is based on Hill's research and interviews with over 500 successful people, including Henry Ford, Andrew Carnegie, and Thomas Edison. The central idea of the book is that anyone can become wealthy and successful if they follow certain principles and develop the right mindset. The first principle discussed in the book is desire. Hill argues that having a strong, burning desire for success is the first step towards achieving it. He advises readers to develop a clear, specific goal and to commit themselves fully to its attainment. He also emphasizes the importance of taking action towards that goal and not letting fear or doubt hold you back. The second principle is faith. Hill believes that having faith in oneself, one's abilities, and the universe is essential for achieving success. He encourages readers to cultivate a positive mindset, to believe in their abilities, and to surround themselves with positive influences. The third principle is autosuggestion. Hill believes that the thoughts we hold in our minds have a powerful influence on our actions and outcomes. He encourages readers to practice self-talk and to repeat affirmations to themselves to reinforce positive beliefs and behaviors. The fourth principle is specialized knowledge. Hill argues that acquiring specialized knowledge in a particular area is essential for achieving success in that area. He encourages readers to become experts in their chosen field and to continuously learn and improve their skills. The fifth principle is imagination. Hill believes that the ability to envision and create new possibilities is a critical element of success. He encourages readers to cultivate their imagination and to use it to generate new ideas and solutions. The sixth principle is organized planning. Hill argues that developing a clear and detailed plan is essential for achieving success. He encourages readers to create a step-by-step plan of action and to break their goals down into manageable tasks. The seventh principle is a decision. Hill believes that being decisive and taking action is critical for success. He encourages readers to make quick and firm decisions and to avoid procrastination and indecision. The eighth principle is persistence. Hill emphasizes the importance of persistence and perseverance in the face of setbacks and obstacles. He encourages readers to develop a never-give-up attitude and to keep pushing forward towards their goals, no matter how difficult the road may be. The ninth principle is the power of the mastermind. Hill believes that working collaboratively with others is essential for achieving success. He encourages readers to seek out like-minded individuals who can provide support, advice, and inspiration. The 10th principle is sex transmutation. Hill argues that channeling one's sexual energy into creative pursuits can lead to greater success and productivity. He encourages readers to harness their sexual energy and to use it to fuel their work and pursuits. The 11th principle is the power of the subconscious mind. Hill believes that the subconscious mind is a powerful tool for achieving success. He encourages readers to use visualization and positive affirmations to imprint their goals and desires onto their subconscious, which can then work towards bringing those desires into reality. The 12th principle is the brain. Hill believes that the brain is a powerful tool for achieving success and encourages readers to constantly challenge and stimulate their brains through reading, learning, and problem solving. The final principle is the sixth sense. Hill believes that developing a deep intuition and spiritual awareness is essential for achieving success. He encourages readers to cultivate their intuition and to listen to their inner voice, which can guide them towards the right decisions and actions. So, those are the 13 principles of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply looking to improve your personal development, this book offers timeless wisdom and practical advice for achieving success and wealth. By following these principles and cultivating the right mindset, anyone can achieve their dreams and reach their full potential. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.